What? No. Well, I can believe that I've never liked her.
Mindy, we're rolling.
Oh, sorry. Just another day at the Kaling household. Since I have kids, I'm always thinking about how to get fresh veggies and quality ingredients into my kids' bellies without any drama. You know I love drama, just not at mealtime. With HelloFresh, I don't even have to think about it. So I'm psyched, because today we're making barbecue pineapple flatbread. It's pizza, but it's got poblano peppers, pickled onions, and other vegetables in it. With HelloFresh, I don't even have to bribe my kids to eat. I know that mincing can seem a little tedious. At least I didn't have to portion this all up before. Sweet, it's done. So when I prepare a recipe, only the finest of ingredients will do. Okay, cool, it's legit. So you may be asking yourself, what is the difference between pizza and flatbreads? The answer is, I don't know. That's the kind of educational content that would have been good for me to research, but I forgot to. I'm happy there's plenty, because I am really bad at sharing, because this looks amazing. And speaking of sharing, I'm about to take it to a whole nother level next time, because I'll be hosting a girls' night. I'll never do that again, I'm so sorry. A little bit of this, a little bit of that. These guys look exactly alike. I get to keep this oven, right? It's literally bejeweled with my name. Sorry, my kid doesn't get it anymore.